What's going on, YouTube? So we just finished my parents' fence, so now I'm gonna work on another little project I have here. I'll be working on a dog house for my dog. Here's the plywood. I already put 2x4s at the bottom. I put them flat, so on each corner I'm gonna put 4 pieces of 2x4 in each corner so you can lift it off the ground. I'm gonna add another piece in the middle so I can add more support to the frame there. And as you see there's the 2x4s. I'm already starting on the framing there. And I'm gonna cut that piece, put it in the middle. And to make it look a little bit better, I'm gonna actually use some of the laminate flooring that I had left over from last year. Put it on the floor so I can keep my dog cool during the summer, and I'm sure he'll like it. So that's what we'll be doing. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. So now I'm going to be adding some framing nails with my framing nailer on there. And then we'll just continue going on from there and see how it comes out. Man, get this guy out of here, bro. Who hired this guy? Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Come on, man. Don't make us look bad. Get it together. Come on, man. You can do this. There we go. Attaboy. Whoa, hey. We ain't trying to see all that.
My goodies, not my goodies.
So right now I'm going to cut the underlayment for the flooring. Just a little cushion for the bottom, so it won't just go straight to the wood plank. Here's my little niece giving me a hand. Say hi, Chocho. Say hi. So I'm going to cut that up right now. This is Sammy checking out his new floor. So that's the low floor. Yes, I ran out of the clear wood, so I ended up using planks from the darker leftover wood. So it is what it is. Anyways, this will be the side of the house anyway. So that end will be the front, so it'll be the door right there. do the side walls. So still got some work to do, but for now, this will be it.